Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
A car is a costly asset for most of us, but we cannot deny the fact that vehicles eventually wear out, and the more they are driven, the lesser their lifespan becomes. So installing a GPS tracker for the car can help to prevent quick degradation. It offers better route management, less fuel consumption, improved security and safety, faster emergency response, remote control, and more.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comment section below.
This Spytec GPS offers the fastest GPS tracking for vehicles, valuables, and loved ones using 4G satellite technology. It provides access to everything you need, including location alerts, boundaries, and historical reports. And it also extends a follow mode feature to watch your tracker as it moves across a map. Plus, its GPS technology and LTE networks render location updates through an app that's simple and easy to use. And its intuitive software can monitor the tracker's movement on a map, set location and boundary alerts, pull historical reports, and more. Furthermore, its long rechargeable battery lasts up to 2.5 weeks, and it can automatically receive alerts when the battery is running low to help you plan.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This ultra-discreet 54 GPS tracker features real-time tracking and geofencing with boundary alerts to keep you informed and give you peace of mind. Its tracker is easy to use and gives you the ability to customize your settings to receive important updates such as proximity alerts and notifications about the tracker's movements via text, push notification, or email. And its micro GPS tracker can locate and maps in real time on web-based software. Plus, its ultra-durable weatherproof materials can stand up to the most challenging weather conditions, including rain, sun, wind, and snow. And its LED lights can be disabled via the app so that the device won't give away its location with glaring flashing lights.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Moto Safety is a simple, easy-to-use GPS tracking system and activates your service effortlessly. It offers a comprehensive driving course program that takes your new teen driver through all the steps of acquiring their license. And it also provides blogs, external resources, and interactive quizzes for your teen to engage with to feel more comfortable before taking the test. Plus, its links up web-based fleet management software keeps you on top of your fleet in real time. And its easy-to-use maps, insightful reports, and tools like customizable alerts and maintenance schedules will help you reduce costs and increase overall fleet efficiency.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This tracker may be small in size, but it has more power than meets the eye. It can detect movement, speed, direction, location, and more, all in real time. It creates alerts, geofences, and driving reports all from within the app itself. And its driving history reports will show a record of the trip and how often the tracker went over the speed limit or a predefined maximum speed you set for the tracker. Moreover, its tracker battery life is expected to last up to 2 weeks when reporting frequency is set to 1 minute. And it can send you a low battery alert, giving you plenty of time to retrieve the tracker and charge it back to 100%. It allows you to have the control to change how often your GPS tracker reports at any time. And its less frequent reporting will enable the battery to last longer, while the more frequent reporting will make the trial more detailed.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
The Winx Link is a tiny but compelling device. It has a dedicated accelerometer for detecting 3-axis acceleration and braking events. It can collect all the vehicle trouble code data that's only accessible through the OBD2 port. And it can also know how much fuel is left in your vehicles through the OBD2 port and track the fuel cost with Winx Fleet, and offers personalized fuel savings tips. Plus, it can be integrated with smartwatches, smart home assistants, Alexa, and many other third-party applications. And its program includes 24/7 roadside assistance, towing, winching, lost key lockout help, fuel delivery, and more.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This Bouncy can update the vehicle's location every 15 seconds while driving. While using Google Maps, it will let you view location, addresses, and routes. And with the use of geozones, it can send a notification when vehicles arrive or when they leave. Plus, it also allows you to manage expirations and due dates for your license, registration, insurance, tire rotations, and more. And it can be accessible on your smartphone or any computer without any limit on the number of devices you can use.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.